What's up guys, Alberto Big Boost here. Today I want to show you one of the hardest things that I have ever done with my car. Removing really old vinyl. This is the most impossible thing that I have done. It's taking forever. It's probably the hardest thing to film. I don't get a whole lot of progress per clip, so I'm gonna try to put everything together like super fast so you can see the progress that I made with the car. I was able to remove this vinyl, but at what cost? Also, I finally have footage driving the E36 so I can show you guys just how awesome the 2JZ sounds and the Garrett G35 900 Turbo. That thing spools like... I just fall in love driving my car. Check this out. Guys, that was so much fun. I hope I got some good audio from this. This has been really difficult to record the proper audio of how awesome this 2JZ sounds, especially with the titanium exhaust out the back. It sounds amazing. I think I even got some echoing turbo flutter from the truck next to me driving down. So hopefully this is some really cool content to show you guys how this E36 sounds right now. Today we're doing one of those tasks that nobody wants to do, and that's removing vinyl. I started removing the vinyl of my E36 like a couple months ago, then I gave up, and I need to get this car rewrapped because the 2JZ is out, but the car is looking horrendous outside. So in order to get it rewrapped, I need to first remove all the purple vinyl off. And on this, do you see what I'm talking about? I thought it was gonna be easy and it was gonna peel off, but this is what the whole car is doing. So you make it soft by heating it up, but then at the same time you burn your fingertips with the hot surface. other part, when you have this residue, you have to spray with this chemical, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then...
What chemical is it?
It's I'm using rapid remover because that's what everybody suggested, so I'm using this stuff. It works pretty well, and then kind of like get the thick stuff out with a razor blade, and then we can wipe off the excess. If you try wiping it off when it's thick, it just smears all over. It just becomes a goo ball. You keep just moving back and forth. So now I got just try to like wipe off the rest. Yeah, this is just one small part. Imagine how long it takes you to the rest of the car.
There is a lot to do.
Oh, this sucks. Got some good process done. So now the car is looking a lot better, but I hope you can hear me with the background music. I ended up taking the vinyl glue off the top, but I still have to do the rest of the car.
Another day.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of these days. Oh, this thing is terrible for my mood.
So we got some parts ready. This part came out really quick, but then the rest is really hard. Okay. A lot to do.
Since I managed to find a technique that seems to be working, it's like preheat like a couple inches in front of where I'm working at and just keep pulling as a one thing. No, this only works in the parts that didn't get a lot of sun. So the bottom of the door works, but the top of the door didn't work. Will it come off as one whole piece? Almost there.
Yeah. Show the trophy.
Look, this whole door in one piece. Nice. It's day 3 with all this vinyl stuff. I got all the purple off the car so far. The only thing I got left is just the lip. The bumper has been completely stripped down. Of course, we still have the glue residue, which I'm gonna have to remove later. So, no more Wildberry Boost. What am I supposed to do with this picture now when the car is not purple anymore? It looks like the car went through a whole lot. Poor E36. Needless to say, the engine bay looks fantastic though. We can just appreciate this area right here. Well guys, that's it. There's no more purple on the car. It's black and white again. So back to Mr. Skunk. Who else here missed the good old skunk days of black and whiteness? At least the engine bay is all colorful, but the car is all black and white. I guess the only thing left now is just to remove the rest of the adhesive, which is gonna probably take another day or two. I made things a little bit easier and removed all the adhesive from the front bumper. I did miss this little spot right here, but I'll take it later tomorrow probably. And then I'll maybe continue with the fenders to clean this up because the front fenders could use some better looks. This is extremely tempting that I'm working on this and then I go to the other side and I have this. I can't wait to start this in the next couple of days. We're gonna probably remove the engine again and then start cleaning up the engine bay to get the car set up for its next stage. On the next video, I have a really cool surprise for you guys where we're gonna start making the car look better. Now that it looks super hideous with all this glue residue on it and everything, we're taking one step at a time on this build and we're gonna make this car look amazing. So stay tuned for the next video. I don't know if I made an ending for this video yet or not, but if I didn't, I just want to let you guys know that I am also working on customers' cars now. So Big Boost Shop is finally open to the public. So email for inquiries at bigboostshop@gmail.com. Also, like, you can inquiry for about any parts. I'm carrying over 100 different brands at the shop. They're not up in the site, but if you need any parts, it's most likely that I can get it for you, and I can get you a really good deal for it. So make sure to send me an email at bigboostshop@gmail.com, or you can also message me on Instagram Either both ways are very easy for me to reply to you, and I can get you going, or we can take care of your car here. I'm not only doing race car builds, I'm also doing like repairs and maintenance on cars. So whatever you need, message me or email me. I'll be more than happy to take care of your car. So thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alberto Big Boost here. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell.